In the competitive world of online retail, having a strong e-commerce SEO strategy is crucial for success. This optimization involves various techniques that help attract organic traffic and improve search engine rankings, ultimately leading to increased sales conversions. In the U.S. market, where numerous e-commerce sites compete for consumer attention, a well-devised SEO strategy is essential. SEO agencies specializing in e-commerce play a key role in advancing online businesses by adapting their strategies to align with search engine preferences and user behavior. Local SEO tactics, such as incorporating city names and neighborhoods into content, can significantly improve search rankings and attract more local leads. Effective on-page SEO elements like keyword research and enhancing user experience are crucial for e-commerce success. Off-page SEO strategies, such as building quality backlinks and utilizing social media platforms, are essential for boosting visibility. SEO agencies customize strategies for different businesses, adapt to search engine changes, and measure performance metrics to ensure continuous improvement. Proven techniques for increasing e-commerce sales include using long-tail keywords, implementing conversion rate optimization, and engaging customers through email marketing. Mobile optimization is also critical for e-commerce SEO success in today's digital age.